Let's walk. Don't look at me. Look ahead. And step with the right.
No, Freya.
There.
Yeah.
Good. Hold on with both hands. That's good. This could end in tragedy with her hitting her head.
Oh,
Who could be coming up to her
here,
right?
the mirror. Has she noticed the mirror yet?
No, she's looking the wrong way.
No.
I'm tired now. Freya. Freya. No.
No. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Oh. Look at you go. Hi, Freya. Okay, bye-bye.